Okay, stop. Before you go back to studying everything in your textbook, watch this first. Comet K 2026 is on May 9. You have limited days, and if you are treating every chapter the same, you are literally throwing away marks. Today, I am giving you the exact chapter wise weightage breakdown for physics, chemistry, and maths, and the strategy to use it. Let's go. Physics 60 questions. Here's how the marks are actually split. Mechanics 25%. That's literally 1 in 4 physics question. If you are not confident in Newton's law, projectile motion and rotational dynamics, start there right now. Thermodynamics at 12% and the electrostats, current, electricity and modern physics each at 10%. These 5 chapters together, that's over 67% of your physics paper. Master these first. Optics and waves round off at 8% each. Don't skip them, but don't let them steal time from mechanics either. So, if I just talk about for physics chapter, talking about their weightage also, dear ones, mechanics 25% is the top priority, followed by thermodynamics, electrostats, current, electricity, modern physics. Now, let's talk about chemistry breakdown. And listen, a lot of students underestimate this subject. Don't. Organic chemistry is the biggest chunk at 15%. Reaction mechanisms, named reactions, this is non-negotiable. If organic is your weak spot, fix it this week. Chemical bonding is 12%, and the good news, it's very conceptual, very learnable. Get this right and you are banking easy marks. Thermodynamics and p-block elements are both at 10%. Then coordination compounds and chemical kinetics at 8% each. Solutions at 7%. Basically, organic, bonding and thermo together give you 37% of your chemistry score. Lock these down. And now let's talk about the mathematics breakdown. Calculus 25%, that is huge. Limits, differentiation, integration, differential equations. This one topic can single-handedly boost your rank. There is no excuse to not master calculus. Algebra and coordinate geometry are both at 20% each. So calculus plus algebra plus coordinate geometry, that's 65% of your maths paper right there. Vectors and 3D geometry at 15%. Trigonometry at 10%. Probability and stats at 10%. These matter, but calculus first, always. So, a quick recap. Mechanics, organic chemistry, calculus. Those 3 alone cover 65% of what matters. Start there. If this saved your study time, smash the like button. It literally takes 1 second. Subscribe for more strategies like this.